Hey guys, it's Serena and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from my normal videos. I wanted to do something related to like art. By the title, as you can tell, I'm going to be doing my nails. I can't have acrylic nails because I'm in cheer, number one. And number two, I'm in wrestling and you can poke somebody's eyes out. So we can't have acrylics at all. I hate my natural nails. I just don't like them at all. I've decided to get my own stuff. Instead of using glue, I'm gonna use nail tabs. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So I went to Sally Beauty to pick up these supplies. So the things that you'll need is a filer, and then I got these nail tips that'll fit my whole finger, some fashion tape because they didn't have any nail tabs but fashion tape holds better, some nail tip cutters, a top coat, nail polish. We're gonna start off by choosing the tips that fit our fingertips the best, so that's what I did. And then I'm filing the bottom part so it fits the shape of like my cuticle, if that makes any sense. Now I'm shaping the nail and I'm trying to do like a kind of square coffin type of shape. Not very too coffin, but not too square. Now I'm grabbing the fashion tape and I'm placing it onto my nail and I'm cutting off so it fits my nail and then cutting off the excess and what I don't need and pressing on the nail. Now I'm filing the nail and fixing up the shape. And then I'm going to grab the polish. This is a purple polish by Nail and Bone and I'm just going to paint my nails. I'm getting a little bit messy with it, but I promise you I will clean it up later. I'm taking my OPI top coat and just setting my nail polish. And we're done, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some video ideas that you guys would like to see on my channel. And this is how the nails turned out. I'll see you guys next time.